Hello, Kevin here. So in this video, I want to show you how to sell your Bitcoin BTC, how to sell it and withdraw it to your bank account instantly. So for this video, I'm going to use Luno. So you can see here, once I click on wallets here, wallets, you will see here, you will see here that I have 8,119 naira in BTC. That is 0.00048 BTC, and also I have Litecoin here. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to focus on selling this Bitcoin. So all I have to do is to click on it. So I click on it. So after clicking on it, all I have to do is to click on here, sell. So I click on sell, and here I will select NGN. So I select receive Naira. So I click on max. You can see I will receive 8,202. So I click on next. So it is very easy to sell BTC on Luno. So 2% fee. So you can see, and there are other platforms like Binance, P2P. That's one we charge 2% fee. So but for the purpose of this video, let me continue. Let me confirm. So fingerprint. So let me use fingerprint. I think my hand is not recognized. Okay, it will be set automatically instantly. So it is very easy to say. You can see you sold Bitcoin. So I click on go to wallet, and so here all I have to do, you can see, is on my NGN wallet. So I click on withdraw. So the difference between this Binance P2P and this Luno is you don't need to involve any third party or any person to start with. You just do everything seamlessly from the app here. So I click on withdraw, and I click on next. I click on max. I want to withdraw everything, and you can see here confirm voucher. So I will be giving voucher. So you will see they also charge 2% fee. So I'm just using Luno to show you. If you don't know how to use Binance P2P, you can still use Luno, but they will still charge fees. You can see they still charge 160 naira again, 2% fee for withdrawal, capped at 2,000 naira. So as I've started this process, let me finish it. Confirm, fingerprint. So we are creating your voucher, taking screenshots, redeem now. So I select First Bank, enter voucher number. So you can see here, to withdraw money to your bank account, enter the voucher number. Our payment partner sent to this phone number or this email. Let me check the email now. So this is the voucher. So this is the voucher number. I copy it, and the pin is this, and the security ID. Let me enter the voucher number first. Paste it. Redeem voucher. So fingerprint again. Incorrect pin. So you send code. Enter the code. Our payment partner sent to redeem your voucher. Okay. So I saved the code. This is it. Let me try. Copy it. Come back here. Let me paste. I think it will not allow me to paste. Let me get it one after the other. 596,403. 596,403. So you redeemed your voucher. So you withdraw the money. So the withdrawal has been done, and that's it. How to convert your BTC to your bank account. So once you click on got it, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video on how to, you can see it's still processing, sending to First Bank. So within some minutes now, I will receive the deposit. Thank you for watching the video. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.